Good day, everyone. Hello, guys, and welcome to this live stream here on our YouTube channel. How is everybody doing today? The markets are hot. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq got a false breakout right here, so we're gonna comment on this market shortly. So, how is trading going, guys? Markets are a bit volatile, aren't they? Yep. So now we are ready for, look at Nasdaq here. The price yesterday the price action was a doji candle. So we had that rejection at the bottom. We also had the rejection at the top. Happened that this one there. Then the price rejected here at the top, and actually it left the market in a situation now. Who is dominating? Will buyers push the price up? Will sellers push the price down? It's a little bit indecision, because you know what, guys, this candlestick appeared actually in the middle of nowhere, because the key resistance is up here. It's not there. We can potentially see a lot of selling pressure, but on the other hand, this bullish candle rejected and picked up all the selling pressure from the bottom, but it didn't have a strong follow through. It's like too much effort without any reward. So too much effort without reward, yes, not really good. So what session can we have today? There are two parts here. The first, if the price breaks above this high, the Asian's range, we will see a continuation, and definitely I believe the price will get into that loop up here. It's a strong demand, it's a strong supply zone. Now on the 15-minute chart, we had a gap at 330. That means buyers were very aggressive. The Marabozu candlestick led a lot of people in the wrong side. What I was hoping actually earlier is to see the price moving further down from this bearish engulfing, but we didn't see that in real time. We saw the buyers stepped in here, not aggressively, but it was a conviction that sellers might not be able to defend the downtrend anymore. Now, what is the information we have? The lower lows and lower highs turned into higher highs, here, that's double H, and higher lows, that's low, and that's higher low, that's high, and that's higher high. So from this point, we do expect buyers to be the dominant force. So the boundaries, the market boundaries established at this low, that's the lowest, so that's the lower low support. So that's the higher high new uptrend. Let's write this as higher low, so you don't get confused. Higher low support, higher high new uptrend. From here, I expect the buyers to step in, to remain actually, because they already stepped in, to remain in control and keep pushing the price higher. Some entries can be picked either at this support, and I'll write this as a potential entry. And that's the second potential buy. Let's do the same on the gold. This is the 15-minute time frame, and that's the 4-hour. There are strong buys here, strong support. Resistance is further away, but this is a key support. On the hourly, it's pretty significant. Key support. This is the downtrend resistance. So whatever happens from this point, it has bearish implications until we get into this support. After the market gets into that support, we have to see if support will hold or breaks. Because if it breaks, then the downtrend will continue and we will have a new information. But if it holds, things will become difficult for to trade, because we don't know if the reversal at the support it's going to be the way to go. We have to examine it on the 5 and 1 minute chart. So for now, the market is more bearish than bullish because of the lower lows and lower highs, until we've proven the opposite, that the trend is about to end and the buyers will take control. Let's look at the Euro US dollar. This is a classic downtrend example. The price makes lower lows, a bullish engulfing at support, looks like the price is going to go up. People get caught in this bad situation because they don't read the market based on market structure, they read the market based on feelings. You trade bullish engulfing when the market is in an uptrend, or when the downtrend has clear evidence that it came to an end. Like in this case here, price was making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then sellers took control. This one here was still a bullish engulfing, but not in an uptrending market, so it wasn't a valid signal. But after the price broke and closed above this trend line, it meant that this downtrend ended. So from this point here, a bullish engulfing inside break with a bullish engulfing, it was the best signal so far. But the same price action, the same candlestick, during a downtrend, it's a low quality trade. On the 4-hour chart, we have one strong support here, strong support there. There is a key resistance up here. Hourly, this is a classic reversal. The market shifted from higher highs, double top, lower low, so the double top completed, now to lower lows. Very simple market to trade, very simple. For day trading, this is the first support and it's about to be reached in a couple of pips, so be careful on that one here. But the market is in a downtrend. Once we clear up the support, then we are good to look for further weakness. Nasdaq, our market, and gold. Whoa, key support here on gold, guys. Look at this. Key support. We will see if the market holds there. Nasdaq has a lot of volatility now. It's good because we can see nice moves. The first potential buy is this recent high. I like the fact there is a gap here. So, personally, I will not buy anything here because all this low volume node area has more, can produce more quality signals. So for me, that's not the case, despite it can be a good buy zone based on the market structure. I prefer to wait for a deep retracement somewhere around 50 Fibonacci, 0.5 Fib. It will be good for me. Already in the last 10 minutes, Nasdaq lost 0.15% of that upward move. Okay. On the mini chart, let's see for any evidence on the mini chart. This bullish engulfing can, no. Maybe it won't remain as a bullish engulfing, it won't stay there. This can be a good area, but honestly, it's not the type of trade I want to place. I'm sure the market today will produce a lot of signals. We're going to have a lot of good opportunities to trade. You see, it's going down. I would like to pick up some trades within this area. Further down, further down. I'm not even happy to pick up trades here, guys. I want to see the price coming down, touching the 61.8. Why not? So within this upward move, this part here is a key support, this one. If the price fails to hold there, definitely the 61.8 will be the level to watch. I will be very interested at that level. See how this tail left right inside this box after that Marabozu candle, that long bearish candle. Imagine, guys, if this will be the zone. Look at it, this one here. And from here all the way to the top. Did you see that? People who trade fair value gaps and other stuff, they were probably looking to place trades here within this area, so they didn't take any trade. Or other people, they were looking to trade within this area and their stop loss was behind here. Maybe they survived, maybe not. It depends on your spread. Euro didn't break below this support. It bounced from the demand zone. Gold, whoa, nice move on the gold. It went through that support, flashed all traders. They bought or sold the support. Traders who sold the support, they got out. Most likely they had their stop loss above here, so they are out of the trade. They lost. Others who bought the support here, their stop loss was below, somewhere below here, so again they got stopped out. So people who bought and sold the support here, most likely they got losing trades. And why is that? Because if you don't trade with the trend, that's gonna always be the problem. The price moves random at key levels, especially against the trend. So I'll keep this live short, guys. I will end the video now. You have the plan for today. I gave you the plan here, crystal clear for gold, for Nasdaq, and for Euro US dollar. Just follow the plan. Also do your own, put your own analysis there, or put your own touch if you prefer. We're going to be here again on Friday, so I wish you happy trading for the rest